Hey everyone, I am doing the second part of the actions and batch tools in Photoshop. Sorry if the first video came up a little bit chopped up at the end. I decided to cut the video in two just so that it's easier and it's less heavy to for the blog purposes. Sorry. So in the first video we created the actions, which is all the actions that we want to record so that it goes and repeats itself in the entire folder for all these pictures just to save time, right? So we have it here saved as watermark 91310. I saved the actions from the open action to the close. So it's completely just to make sure that we have all the actions completely saved and everything. So the next step is going to file, automate, batch. So remember, all we have is just a folder with tons and tons of pictures that don't have the watermark and are not reduced. So we want to create a batch of the same action. Okay, so we want to make sure it says play set 4. Yes, it's actually in the folder 4. The action is called watermark 91310. Yes, it's called that. And then the source, the folder is actually you can actually look for your picture, your folder in here. Mine is buttons, so I'm gonna click OK. So that's the folder where I actually have all those pictures that I want to fix, right? In this case, I don't want to have to click on any of these just because it says here override action open commands. I already have that command in my action. I don't want to, I don't have any subfolders or suppress file open options. I don't need any of these right now. In the folder it says destination, so you can actually pick not to have it in anywhere. Just you can actually say, oh, I want to save it and close it, or not do anything. But yes, I want to have another folder because I want to be able to go to the original folder in case I want to go and edit the picture without the watermark being affected in the picture. So I just chose to do that. And then here, you can actually tell the computer, okay, I want it in this folder in this location. So I decided to have mine in new folder 4. That's gonna be the folder for me. Okay, and then leave this as it is. Don't click on anything else. This is basically telling you, oh, this is the name of the name plus the extension. Now here, I've never worked with the Mac doing the batch. You might have to work with these two little options, compatibility to Mac and the errors. You can, yes, I want the computer to tell me to stop for errors just in case something happens. So I'm gonna click OK, right? And let's see. It's opening and creating the watermark. It looks like it's working on it, right? But I want to make sure that it's actually doing it, because you can actually stop the batch in the middle of it. You can actually press the escape button and it will tell you continue or stop. But before I do that, I want to make sure. So I'm going to click here on my folders in a separate window and try to find my folder. And so this is my new folder 4, that's the name. And I'm seeing that it's actually working on it. See, it's adding the pictures on that new folder. And the great thing about this is that I didn't have to go into each picture and reduce it and do the watermark. It's actually saving a lot of time for me. I can go and finish cooking for the kids, finish doing anything else that you want to be able to do. And the computer will be working for you and it will take care of that part. This I actually use a lot. This is one of the things that in Photoshop it really saved me some time, and knowing about this tool is amazing. It really, really helps you a lot. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Leave any comments below the video, and I will certainly get back to you guys. Thank you so much.